All right, so greetings everyone. So welcome to this week's lab. So let's explore what are we going to do today, and we are going to do the same type of task as we did previous weeks. So we go to our my repository. You can update the files as you can see them here. There is week 5, 3 tasks defined, right? And then you have to get them into your own lab. You can copy paste them. I mean, of course, you can. That's the worst case scenario. You can just copy and paste these stubs. But of course, the better way to do it would be to go to your open up your code space, right? And then you would do git pull, and you would pull in the changes basically, right? Git from upstream, of course, right? And then you have these 3 files, right? And you just fill in the to do and make all, make clean, right? And make all, or make Lab5, for example. And yes, it would compile at the moment, but of course there are warnings because you're not using and you're not doing much here at the moment. This is something for you to fill out, right? Just like previous weeks. So very similar instructions. So let's go through them quickly, right? So it's mostly about file input and output, which you covered in lecture already last week. And so you just need to make a simple C program that reads a file and then writes a file basically, or rather writes a file first, then reads it afterwards, right? You can put some your own instructions in there, your own text. It's up to you. A few lines. Second one is similar to last week's tasks where you had a structure with students. Again, no input. There's no user input here. You just make up your student, right? Use a structure, but you need to save them in file. And then it follows up similar task to last week. That is actually a student management system with file persistence, meaning you have a structure with student structure, and you can add students, and you can also, I believe, you can load, save, add. You don't have to delete them. You could, of course, if you want, right? This is not required, right? So student text, it's not a full database. It's just file-based one, right? But a good practice. Okay, now if you want to do something slightly more advanced, this is not required. So if you have plenty of time, you can try it. It's a binary version, meaning instead of text write, you write it in as a binary structure, basically, right, in binary format, right? It's not much different. It's just a different function, basically. And of course, there might be a few issues with reading as well, because these are binary files, right? Okay, the make file is ready for you guys. So it should be make clean, right? There's some nice resources. Library, C reference is a good resource, and then also some less authoritative resources, right? So submission, just like before, you can submit all files, one by one, all at the same time, CCC files, right? And or do it upload, of course, them to, submit the C files, or actually just provide the GitHub link to your repository, obviously. Now you can do both, of course, right, in the text field. And that's it. Just a reminder again, of course, that if you go to the course page, right, that if you have free time after this, right, that you should be working. Where is my task? Right, you will see that there is remember that there is a bigger graded one. This one here is graded Lab 1, right? This one here. This should be also something you should be working on, right? You can work on your free time, right? Because this will be a bigger part of your grade, right? That arithmetic parser for Python, right? So this is something we are working towards, basically. You have, of course, time next week, but not that much, right? It's going to be only 1 day left, basically. Okay, so that's it. Of course, do the quiz as usual. Do the quiz for week 5, right here. And then you are free. All right, good luck, everyone. I'll see you in the class.